dramatic, suspenseful music begins to build. The year is 2077. The skies above every major city flicker, not with stars, but with the cold, metallic gleam of an alien armada. Their message was simple, broadcast on every frequency, in every language: surrender or be annihilated. Their technology was a quantum leap beyond our own. Our most advanced weapons were like pebbles against their impenetrable shields. Panic gripped the planet. World leaders convened, but the conclusion was grim. Resistance seemed futile. The alien commander, a being of pure, cold logic, cut all global communications, plunging humanity into an enforced silence, ready to sever us from our own history. But they made one critical miscalculation. They saw our technological infancy, but they completely missed our spirit. They underestimated human stubbornness. Deep beneath the waves, from a decommissioned, forgotten submarine base, a single, archaic signal pierced the electronic blackout. A relic of a bygone era, Morse code tapped out a defiant message: ... We never yield. It was a whisper against a hurricane, a single candle in an infinite void. But it was enough. Within hours, that whisper became a roar. Ham radio operators, hackers in their basements, engineers jury-rigging old satellites, they caught the signal and amplified it. It leaped from a forgotten submarine to a ham radio in Ohio, then to a hijacked broadcast tower in Tokyo, then to a repurposed satellite network over Europe. Soon, every phone screen, every television, every car radio flickered to life, not with our unified reply, but with our unified reply: we never yield. The message echoed across the planet, a heartbeat of pure, unadulterated defiance. The signal didn't stop at our atmosphere. It bled out into the cosmos, a wave of human will washing over the alien fleet. The invaders were stunned. They had conquered 100 worlds across the galaxy. They had silenced civilizations far more advanced than ours, but they had never encountered a species that, when faced with absolute certainty of defeat, simply refused to accept it. A species that fought not with weapons, but with a unified, unbreakable spirit. For the first time in their long history of conquest, the alien fleet hesitated. Then they turned, they retreated. As their ships warped away into the black, humanity looked up at the empty sky. A single phrase whispered from billions of lips. A new motto for our species: humanity. Heck yeah. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this story, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tales of human spirit. See you in the next one.